Stephen writes, when will the STX get KSRD, Ultra R in 2025, STX-R ever? Very good triple question. STX-R, very, very unlikely. Sadly. I would love to see the STX-R happen. I don't see it happening. I believe the 310R is going to show up this October for a 24 model. Maybe 25 if they have a really good year and they want to stretch it out a little bit longer. But my belief is that the R is coming out this October. What do I think it'll be? Black and green. Woo! Surprise. I also think it'll also just be fixed steering and a special seat. And that's about it. Will it start in sport mode? No. Or full mode? No. Will it start with launch control? No. Will they do anything that would make that ski stand out mechanically? No. Why? I don't know. I don't know why they don't embrace it. Because the R should start in full mode. The R should start with launch control engaged always. It should be its default. It should be the default setting. Should be full mode with launch control on. That's my opinion. And then it should have it should have Tim Bushman's ride plate, damn it. That's what it should have. They should just pay him for licensing and cast that ride plate so it has a big K on it or a big 310R cast into the damn thing. And it should be the 310R ride plate. And everyone should have, and everyone's going to want that damn ride plate and make them go to Kawasaki dealerships to go buy it. Hey, exclusive item. Great. All right. By the way, the Tim Bushman ride plate isn't even the best one. All right. I've talked to Craig Warner. I've talked to the guys who were factory race. And they're like, it's good. We have a better one. And I'm like, really? And they go, yeah, we have a better one. And we have one for offshore. We have one for flat water. And I was like, oh. Is there an in-between? They're like, yeah, it's on the ski. But if you want a good flat water one, we got one. If you want a good rough water, offshore, Pacific Ocean, Catalina Offshore Nationals ride plate, we got that one too. And I'm like, oh my gosh, dude. Sell that. Put it on the R. Why won't you put it on the R? Embrace the R. Lean into the R. But whatever. So, Steven, thank you. Appreciate the super chats. Hey, guys. Thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.